Welcome to this tutorial on creating a subpage in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress site and transform an existing page into a submenu, allowing you to better organize your site's content and improve its structure. We will begin by accessing the WordPress platform. First, open your web browser and go directly to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, focus on the top right corner of the page where you will see a login option. Click on the login button as your first interaction with the site. This is your entry point to the dashboard where you can make any changes. After clicking login, the next step is to use your preferred method of authentication. In this case, the tutorial instructs you to click on Continue with Google. This option is provided by WordPress to streamline the login process by linking your Google account. It's a secure and simple method that many users find very convenient. Once you select Continue with Google, you will then be presented with a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. At this point, choose the account that you wish to use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple accounts. This step is important because using the correct account ensures that you have the proper permissions and access rights to make changes on your website. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard, where your projects and site management options reside. From here, identify the section known as Quick Links. Within Quick Links, locate the option labeled Edit Site. By clicking Edit Site in the Quick Links section, you will be taken to the main area where you can modify your website's appearance, structure, and pages. Now that you are in the site editing view, locate the navigation menu. The navigation area is essential for structuring the hierarchy of pages on your website. With careful attention, click on Navigation to open further editing features. Once the navigation section loads, look for the settings that allow you to modify the arrangement of your pages. In the navigation editing interface, you will now see an icon represented by 3 dots, which opens up additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal the edit settings. This serves as the gateway to various page configuration and customization options available on your site. After accessing the extended options, move on by selecting Edit from the revealed menu. This step allows you to change the page structure and make further detailed edits. Within this editing space, you will now see your existing pages listed. Focus your attention on the page that you want to transform into a submenu. When you have identified the appropriate page, click on it and then locate and click on the paper icon. This icon is your tool to convert the chosen page into a submenu item. By clicking on the paper icon, you are effectively restructuring your page so that it now nests under another menu item. To complete the process, once the page has been transformed, click on the submenu option. This final action confirms the conversion, officially assigning your page as a subordinate element to an existing menu item. By following these detailed steps, you have successfully created a sub-page within your WordPress site, streamlining your website's navigation and enhancing the overall user experience. This comprehensive process should help you gain confidence in editing your website structure using WordPress. Enjoy your newly organized menu and the flexibility it brings to your online presence.